model, 2021 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 Eprise Bhdi S spares or repairs needs engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 152075. MOT, the 4th of March 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, timing belt has snapped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.